What's good, family? It is your boy, The Session. I am here today. Keep it straightforward and simple. I'm going to show you how I make money from home or online as an entrepreneur. Hope you're ready for the video. It's going to be interesting. A lot of you hit me up and think I do day trading or whatever as a means of my financial income, but I think you'll be surprised. So stay tuned, and without further ado, let's get the video underway. You did.
Wanna see my niggas get up out the fucking trap, but they all chasing cheese, so I guess they all some rats. Running in some laps, posting Instagram.
I want to first start off by saying thank you for coming to the channel. If you've ever got any value from my videos, or you fuck with me in any way, you want to support the kid, please hit a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. You feel what I'm saying? You know, Instagram's doing a hell of a job of shadow banning people and blocking what they just discovered as fact check is just an opinion. So it really means a lot when y'all like the video and shit like that. You feel me? No matter what age, gender, whatever you are, I'm proud of you. So I want to tell you the first way I make money as an entrepreneur, and that is YouTube. Now, YouTube is a blessing. I know a lot of y'all are gonna be like, man, I bet you get paid a lot. A lot of y'all think your favorite YouTubers make a ton of money, or you always had a question of, man, I wonder how much they make from being a YouTuber. Is that the only thing that they do to make money? And I'm speaking on basically my experience. I can only speak on myself. I do not only use YouTube as my only income. I would not be able to pay my rent. Now, even when the pandemic first started and people were in lockdown, I was getting some of the height of my views. Still wouldn't be able to just have one income and pay all of my bills and maintain the lifestyle I like to have and keep employees and grow the business. So for me, I make money off of YouTube. It all depends on, I guess, hours watched, user retention, how long people are on your platform or on your channel for. For new YouTubers out there, if you're looking to get started, one thing I would advise is for you to do a documentary of, documenting your life going to a new career or doing something. Or if you already have a skill set, you worked in corporate or you did something, you have a great skill, teaching it and doing tutorials online, like how to use Robinhood or whatever the hell it is, or how to do an option from start to finish. There's people that have millions of views or 100,000 views. 100,000 views on a video that's 2 hours long is better than 100,000 views on a video that's 2 minutes long. Okay, so it's all about how long you can keep the person here. So YouTube is my first one. I'm not going to go down and tell y'all exactly how much I make off of it, but one thing I will say is the more views, I wouldn't say it's all that cracked up to be. If you are just putting all your hopes into YouTube, if you're saying, man, I'm gonna be a YouTuber and I'm gonna be rich, the amount of views you would have to get is literally like FaZe Rug, Mr. Beat. Like, you have to get a lot of views in order to garner hundreds of thousands of dollars. Not saying it's not doable, but for me, it's one of my biggest incomes, but I'm definitely grateful. If you are looking to start YouTube, no better time to start but right now. So that's number one, YouTube. Number two way I make money is from products and services. Okay, this is going to be, let's go to my website. I'll pop that up on the screen, boom. And as you see on my website is a sexy young cartoon gentleman, The Session, and I show you my website here, and I'm able to show you some of the things that I offer. You see there's the Diamond District. That's the newest membership and elite level of Discord we're offering. Damn, I didn't mean to lock the phone. This will be where you actually get access to 2 different Discords, and you get all the channels unlocked in each, and you get the highest tier, which is the Diamond District Club. So you're an elite user. That's what this is. I have free one-on-one consultations, and you see just a $10 membership for the standard Discord, and then we scroll down to services, and you'll see I have cookbooks I've written a health book and a cookbook. You can get that bundle, selling it for $13. You can promote your business. People can pay me for promotions or shout outs, merch, and I have the necklace collection. And last but not least, I also have some classes, my master or my boss mindset class, as well as some other classes I offer every single month. So these things, throughout these, I do make a good amount of money, but I do always have goals of increasing. So every time y'all buy a hoodie, a crew neck, some socks, purchase one of the books to increase your life, I'm always looking to be able to, sell, but make a sale because I'm helping somebody. So You know, you can promote your business, you can get a cookbook, some shit like that. I make money through products and services. That is my second thing that I do to gain income. And some of the websites I use is Teespring. That's who's running my merch. And I even wanted to bring money back around my family. So what I did was I teamed up with my girl and we're selling the pearl necklaces. So you see the Manifestor pearl necklace, I sell it on her website so she can also gain more traction. So, you know, be strategic about everything you do as well. I want to be able to put my people on, so why not help her gain traction and gain some money as well? So product and services. Next, we have affiliates. Affiliate marketing is big. I really want to focus in this year and growing affiliate marketing. And I do have some collaborations with Robinhood, with Public, Tip Ranks. These are some of my biggest ones, and Tiblio. So doing affiliate marketing, if you could show a product in a video and put your Amazon link, or there's other affiliates you can use, that's going to gain you a bunch of money. As when people stay on the website, regardless of what they buy, you may get a price of that. Or if you're doing it just for a particular product, like I do with Robinhood, you might get some money to make a video. You might get some money when people sign up through your link. So affiliate marketing is very big for me. I want to continue to drive traffic to me, my website, my social media. So affiliates are big for me and I want to keep doing it. I encourage all of y'all to check them out. And last but certainly not least, we have the Discord. We'll pull that up on the screen. It's been a blessing to have over 1,000 people pay you every month. You can see some of the numbers. It's been a blessing. I'm going to keep it, you know, a bit transparent. I want to hide some of the things, but you know, keep it transparent, but show y'all some of the, at least a couple of the numbers so you're not left in the dark. It has been a blessing. Discord is my #1 and primary business thing that I do to get the most money. You'll see my calls are free. The reason my calls are free is because I want to give y'all free. The more free content I can give you, advice, things that I can help you with for free, the more likely you are to purchase when I do want to sell something. And Discord has been nothing short of a blessing. Everything I'm doing right now wouldn't have been possible 10 years ago, 15 years ago. So you got to understand how blessed we are to live in this time, and I'm capitalizing. Discord is my #1 biggest revenue stream. I'm grateful. If you want to check out my Discord, it's $10. The $5 are sold out. So it's been a true blessing and an honor. But what I do want to shed light on is this is all sales. This is these different businesses and things go into one business. I started as just a private chef, and now I do consultations. Was blessed enough to get some paid ones, and now I'm doing them for free just to earn my value, increase my value. So I just want y'all to understand, this shit is sales. You know, it's going to go up and it's going to go down, but you got to have the same energy when it goes down as you do when it goes up. As long as you stay foot on the gas, keep providing value, you keep thinking of a new way to be innovative, you keep thinking of a way to get to your goal, but by providing something for people, I can guarantee you're going to have some level of success if you just keep your foot on the gas. Collaborate and understand you're in your own lane. You're racing nobody. Stay in your lane, keep building your sales, keep believing in yourself, and stay down even when the sales are whatever they are. When your girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever it is, you got to stay focused on your star player right here. So these have been the main ways I make money from home starting the session. I did not include any of my investments because that's not money that I pay bills with or pay rent with. Okay, so right now, these are the main ways. Couple other ones, I can't tell you all every single thing, but you know, I'm grateful. I am here. Let me know what you thought of the video. Let me know what you thought of these ways. Maybe you have some questions for me. Drop them below in the comments. You dig? Follow me on Instagram and all the other shit. I love you. I appreciate you. We going up on TikTok on the road to 20K. Until next time, stay awesome, stay lit, and stay healthy. You dig?